So I'm just gonna start at the door. Here you can see through the peephole. Oh yeah, you can. Okay, cool. And then we come to light switch, temperature, fire, alarm. On top of my closet are just some things like storage or things I don't use every day. Inside my closet, as you might guess, are my clothes and shoes down here. Then I got this from IKEA. I got this mirror for like $10 at Target. Before I move on to what else I have in my room, I'll just show you this rug really quickly. After the mirror is my dresser. So clothes are in these two, and then at the bottom is just a bunch of kitchen food preparing stuff. Not that organized, but there's a lot of stuff in there. So on top of the dresser, I have my water filter, and I have a little mirror right here. Next, I have a printer, and I got this for like $39 at Walmart. The ones that have like a color right here are limited edition, and they're like $10 cheaper than usual. So yeah, I got a yellow one. This is my desk. So I usually have my computer sitting here. I have my water bottle and my filing system. I have my lamp I got from Target. I think it maybe was $20. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it was around there. And they come in a lot of different colors. And I also have my cork coaster that I made. So I just have a desk, school supplies, stuff like that in here. More school supplies, some cords, stuff like that. And I keep my masks in here and Kleenex. And I have my toaster just sitting right here. And here is my chair that just comes in the dorm. Same with my dresser, desk, and closet. So up above this is my bed. My sister got the bedspread from IKEA when she went to college. It also has a striped side too, so if I ever want to change the print of it, I can just flip it over. So there are the pillows. And I have this bag just to put my phone in and water bottle. So if my alarm rings, I don't have to like get up really quickly and shut it off. Well, I guess the real reason is so I can shut it off and go back to sleep. But yeah. And then I also have this light I got from IKEA. Forgot what the price was, but it is really good. If I shut off the lights, this little tiny light bulb will light up like the whole room. It is so crazy. So after the bed comes my laundry basket, and I have some necklaces hanging on the Eiffel Tower. Okay, this is, in my opinion, the most entertaining and prettiest side of the room, all over here. So first, I have my palm tree poster I got from Society6. I really love it so much. It has like orange and blue in it, which matches like the things over here too. Below that, I have my basket I got from IKEA for about $10, and I have my blanket inside of it. Next is my bookshelf. Down here is a essential oil diffuser and just my books that aren't for school, just kind of for fun books. And then up here I have my essential oils and then all of my books for school. On top of that is my aloe vera plant. Then on this window I have just a little cute thing hanging up here. My school's colors are purple, so that's why it's purple. And someone made that for me, so that's nice. So right here, I'm not exactly sure what type of plant this is. It might be a type of jade plant, maybe. Then I have my Wandering Jew, my pothos, Christmas cactus, potato plant, which if I undo these blinds, it's climbing. Well, can you guys? Yeah, you guys can see it. It's climbing all the way up here. Then my alligator succulent is getting pretty tall, and my amaryllis, still pretty tiny. And those are all my plants. Well, actually, no, I have my snake plant down here too. Okay, so those are all my plants, and if you'd like to see a indoor plant tour with even more plants, I will link it down below, and it will pop up in the right corner. So next is my longboard. So up above that, I just have a simple little picture I got from Society6, just of the ocean. Okay, so this next wall I have my 2 air plants, and they are in these 2 cute things I got from Amazon. And if you're wondering how I hang things on the wall, I just use these command hooks because we can't put holes in the dorm wall. Down below I have my Qdoba leftovers, and my ottoman. Actually, that's my sister's ottoman. And then I have my chair with my pillow that goes like that. The chair was $25 from Target. They also come in a few other colors. I'll just show you kind of another overview of the room, just kind of see the whole thing. I turned off the lights just to show you these lights. It just makes my room feel so cozy and nice.